What's up, everybody? I know I haven't made a video in a long time. I had to charge up my camera, it was completely dead. Haven't been on the bike in a while either. But it's good to be out. The weather's actually decent today. We were going through a period of like rain every day and it was miserable. But it's starting to get a little better. Also, some of it's my fault because I've been super busy. I now work most of the day. I get home later than I want to. And I've been busy doing stuff when I got home too. It wasn't like I got to just come back and relax. So that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. But I am currently house shopping. So we're going to be looking at houses today even. So yeah. I hate this stop sign because I have to like break my neck to see if cars are coming. Alright, I'll go. Another motorcycle rider out in this beautiful weather. Anyway, where was I? House shopping? Yeah, I'm house shopping today again. We've put in 2 offers, but both fell through for one reason or another. But today we're looking at some other options, including some new construction homes. So that'll be different. But I'm trying to move closer to my work, take down the travel time a little bit, and just moving out of where we are now will be a big plus. So it's gonna be great all around. It's just gonna be a little time consuming. But yeah, I did really want to get a video out and kind of update you guys on what's going on, because I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in forever. Saw it. And I still have other plans for videos. I just haven't been able to get out and ride, and it kind of sucks. Also, my last post on the Instagrams was about, well, I guess I'm actually about to go make a post about the car park that I was just at last night. But my post before that was about the headlights on my Camaro. I am trying to get one replaced. The one on the far left that's duller than the rest. It bugs me. And like at night, it's not super noticeable. Like if you just look at the car, you're like, yeah, it looks cool, whatever. But like in the daytime, it's painfully obvious and I hate it. I know lighting trends, like I got the lights from them and I can't even show them off in the daytime because like it looks dumb, it looks broken, and it is. So they did send me a replacement though, per warranty, so it's all good. I just have to get it installed, and I'm trying to find a time for that too. So yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated on what's going on. I'll try to get out and ride a little bit more. I'm thinking about taking the bike to work every now and then. It's a longer drive and it's been raining a lot, so I have to be careful about doing that, but you know, I'll find a time so I can make more videos and show off new scenery that you haven't seen before. But I'm not moving super far away, so like I'll still be around. I'll still do like the car shows and local stuff, so it's all good. Oh, what was that about? A lot of people out golfing today. Man, it's a beautiful day though. I'm not a golfer, but I feel like if I was gonna golf, it'd be on a day like today. Don't know what I just said there. Don't worry about it. But yeah, just wanted to make an update video. I'm almost home, so I guess I'll let you guys go. But smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Go check out my fun videos. I know this wasn't super interesting, sorry. But I do want to say that I'm not dead. I'm still going to make videos. It's just been really hard lately with my new job and all the other stuff going on. But I promise, more's coming. Just give me some time. That's all I got for you guys today. So until next time, I'll catch you later. Always remember, when hiding a body, make sure to bury it not on your own property. Alright, bye guys. What's on it? What's on it? What's on it? What's on it? Not you. What's on it?